Alright, doing a little video on cleaning these floor mats. Y'all can see. Yeah, y'all, I guess you could tell I do drive my car a lot. So, let me get these things cleaned up where they look new again. And this is grease. Yeah, I got it on the bottom of my shoe last night and noticed it today. So, instead of buying a new set, I've mixed me up some special sauce. So, I ain't gonna tell nobody what this is, but anyways, my own stuff. We'll take a little look. You know, of course, it's going to take some elbow grease. Excuse me. Yeah. So let's check it out, see how it turns out. Okay, I got some in. I'm going to let it soak in. It's already starting to do its job. You know, you can see how this was. This is just my little finger working it in. And I did spray it on the whole thing, so it's not, and you can see, remember the grease there? You can see it's starting to break it up. I'm not even going to. All right, there we go. But let's agitate it. And if y'all don't have your special chemical, you can, I've got a steamer that I use and it works great. You know, if you got a great vacuum, or they make many things that can get the stuff out. You don't have to have just a chemical to do it. This just helps the process, you know. So anyways, all right, let's get it going. And these are the Lloyd mats. All right, she's all agitated, so put the vacuum on her. You can see, get all of it out. You can see the difference. It looks brand new again. So after a vacuum, it looks even better. This is just a regular agitator brush with some special. And like I said, if you have a steamer, you can also use that too without anything. And let me get a vacuum.